All right, so the next page we have this exercise here, and we have 3 collinear points. So remember, right away, you want to use segment addition postulate. We have another 3 collinear points. We want to also, again, use segment addition postulate along with our givens and the algebraic properties to get to our proof, right? And so that's what we're doing over here. Okay. And then here for number 2, they give us the givens, but in paragraph form, right? The given that they're giving us is that the distance from Grayson to apex, G to A, so distance of line segment GA is the same as, that's equals, the distance from Reading to Pine Bluff. So it's GA is equal to RP, right? Yeah, and so I did congruent statements here, but it really should have been measure of GA is equal to measure of RP. Okay. And we're supposed to prove that the distance from GR is equal to the distance to AP. And again, they're talking about distances in the paragraph, so this here should have been an equal sign as well, right, involving line segments, but it's okay. So anyhow, we start with a given, convert to congruence, and what are we doing here? Using segment addition postulate to come up with an equation in which we can substitute, and then we get to our proof. All right, so let me go ahead and move over here. We have a couple more examples, and again, 3 collinear points, 3 collinear points. It's going to be segment addition postulate along with the givens. Notice here in the given we have midpoint. B is the midpoint of AC, E is the midpoint of DF, and so because it's the midpoint, we're able to say that AB is equal to BC and DE is equal to EF, and the reason would be definition of midpoint. Okay, and then what do we have here? 3 collinear points, so segment addition postulate along with the givens to use the addition the algebraic properties to get to our given. Okay. And what do we have here? Okay, so here we're given again in paragraph form, and we want to write down given colon, write down the givens, prove colon, write down what we're trying to prove. Then below that, we're going to say statements and reasons, right, our 2-column chart, and then give our statements and reasons, right? Same thing's happening over here with number 9, where we're given a figure and a paragraph. So we want to explicitly write down the givens, write down our proof, and then 2-column proof chart. And remember, we are numbering every statement. Right? We're numbering every statement and reason.